guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to everyone. I hope everybody's day is going great. Thanks for joining me again for this week's CVS deals video. Since CVS now run a 2-week ad, I will try to make my second week video to be the deals I did not share in the first week. One of the coupons we got this week is a $4 CoverGirl coupon, since the one we had expired yesterday. If you have a 10 off 70 next purchase CRT and you're trying to get to 70, add CoverGirl to it, it will make a great filler item. The first deal I have here is on Revlon Cosmetics or Beauty Tools. They're on the deal of spend 15, get $5 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up one of the Revlon eyeliners priced at $14.99, and that's within the 98% rule to spend 15, get $5 extra care box back, but you have to make sure your store follows this rule. We received a $3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $11.99. Pay that and get $5 extra care box back. And also check your Ibotta because we have a $3 back on this item. After the rebate, it will end up costing just $3.99. If you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal because it's not on sale. Or if you have a 10 off 17 X purchase CRT, this would be a good deal to add to it. The next deal is on OGX Hair Care. They are part of the buy 2 get $2 extra care box back, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. They are priced at $9.99 at my store. Pick up 2. One will be full price and the second one will be $6 because of the 40% off. These 2 hair care products are going to total $15.99. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and if you also have a 4 off 14 OGX CRT, add it to this deal. The coupon and the CRT will drop it down to $7.99. Pay that and get $2 extra care box back, making both products just $5.99 or $3 each. If you have a 10 off 17 X purchase CRT or any other threshold CRT and you need a filler item, check the hair color section because they have quite a few on sale items. The Garnier Olia is on sale for $3.49. We have a $2 back from Ibotta, making it just $1.49. The next deal I have here is on Panting shampoo and conditioner. They're on the deal of buy 3 get $3 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. If you're doing this deal and your store is not tagged, according to the ad, it says 16 to 20.1 ounces, so be careful and make sure you're picking the right product. They're also on sale for 3 for $18. We received a 5 off 3 Panting digital coupon, and if you have a 4 off 16 Panting CRT, both are going to drop it down to $9. Pay the $9 and get $3 extra care box back, making all 3 of them just $6 or $2 each. The next deal is on Axe deodorant or body spray, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 extra care box back. Pick up 2 of the Axe body spray. They are priced at $7.49. That means one will be full price and the second one will be $3.75. Both are going to total $11.24. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.24. Pay the $7.24 and get $3 extra care box back, making both products $4.24 or $2.12 each. Next deodorant deal I have will be on Degree. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Degree women dry spray. You can do men or women, whichever one you want. One will be $7.79 and the second one will be $3.90. Both are going to total $11.69. We have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.69. Pay that and get $2 extra care box back. Submit your receipt to Fetch for a 1,500 points back for buying 2. That's almost $1.50. And after the rebate, it's going to make both products just $6.19 or $3.10 each. The next deal I have is on Garnier facial care, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Garnier black peel off mask priced at $9.29 each. This actually went up. It used to be a little bit cheaper. 2 of them are going to total $18.58. we will receive the $2 digital coupon, and in 225 savings sets, there is another $2 there that you can use. Using the two coupons, check your app because I have a 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT that will drop it down to $12.58. Pay that and get $5 extra care box back. That will make these two products $7.58 or $3.79 each. If you don't have the $2 paper coupon, you can do this deal, but just add $2 to what you pay, then submit your receipt to ShopMium for a $2 back. Next deal is spend $25, get $10 extra care box back on Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Neutrogena makeup remover, the 25 counts, priced at $7.99, and pick up 1 of the towelettes, priced at $8.59. These 3 items are going to total $24.57. We have a 3 of 2 digital coupon and a 3 of 10 Neutrogena facial care CRT that will drop it down to $18.57. Pay that and get $10 extra care box back, and that will make these 3 products $8.57 or $2.86 each. The next deal is spend $20, get $5 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. There are so many products in this deal, but Pampers are part of this deal, and they're on sale for 2 for $22. Pick up 2. We have a 3 of 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $19. Pay the $19 and get $5 extra care box back, making both packs just $14 or $7 each. The next deal I have here is when you buy any 3 Ensure or GLUC, you get $10 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. The cheapest product in this deal will be the GLUC mini treats. Pick up 3 at $7.29 each, and the 3 of them are going to total $21.87. I have this $3 coupon I got from GLUC email. On 225 Smart Stores, there is a $5 coupon that you can use if that's what you have. But if you have this $3 coupon, this will be the deal for you. After the 3 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $12.87. Pay that and get $10 extra care box back, making all 3 of them just $2.87 or 96 cents each. Next deal I have is buy any Boost 6 packs, you get $8 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 4 of the ones priced at $11.99. 2 will be full price and 2 will be half off. The 4 packs are going to total $35.98. In 128 savings set, there is a 7 off 2 coupon that you can use 2 of, and this will be a Sunday only deal because the coupon expires on Sunday and CVS doesn't accept expired coupon anymore. After the coupons come off, it's going to drop it down to $21.98. Pay that and get $8 extra care box back, making the 4 packs just $13.98 or $3.50 each. And this will be another good deal to add to a 10 or 17x purchase CRT. This concludes my video today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all soon.